So class, we are beginning with Strasson's matrix multiplication algorithm. This is another type of divide and conquer approach which we are going to do. What does the divide and conquer approach do? As you all recall, the approach is only going to, it is going to bifurcate the problem into subproblems, and it is going to reach a result in the same manner. What is the basic matrix multiplication problem? I have two matrices, A cross B, A and B, and I am multiplying them into third matrix, C. Supposedly, how do I divide them? Or if I am dividing each of the matrix into a group of 4 matrices, 4 sub matrices. I'm dividing each of these matrices into 4 sub matrices so that I can divide my problem further. So C becomes, I'm saying that C is some RSTU, where RSTU are all 4 sub matrices, which is equal to A, I'm dividing into say A, B, C and D, and B I'm dividing in E, F, G and H. So I am dividing the initial matrices into how many submatrices? The two matrices here to be multiplied have been divided into 8 submatrices. Are you all able to get this? So what is happening here is, if I now try to calculate what will be R submatrix, you all know multiplication, the R will be calculated at this multiplied by this, sum of that. This is if R is say element 0, 0, then I will be having row 0 multiplied by column 1 of the other matrix. This is how multiplication goes for matrix multiplication. So R is A multiplied by E plus B multiplied by G. Right? Yes, no?
मैम व्हाट इज सब मैट्रिक्स हेयर, मतलब यहाँ पे क्या डिवाइड किया
सब
है ये?
मैट्रिक्स हेयर का मतलब क्या हुआ? You are correct. I am saying I have n cross n matrix here. ठीक है? Some matrix of some size is there. I do not know the size of the matrix. It can be very large. I am just divided into small 4 matrices. क्योंकि मुझे प्रॉब्लम को डिवाइड करना है डिवाइड एंड कॉन्कर अप्रोच में. सपोजिटली आई हैव माय इनिशियल मैट्रिक्स 1 2 3 4 till 16, अगेन से 17 से लेके 32 and so on. I am having this matrix. I am dividing into a matrix of 1 2 3 4. Here I am having the 17 से लेके 18 19 20 21 and so on. 4 का group, then 4 का group, then 4 and then 4. If I want to perform any operation, and if I perform any operation on these individual, the answers will remain the same. Yes, no?
तो मैम जो साइज है वो 4 का मल्टीपल होना चाहिए.
No, not necessarily. This matrix जो है, जो हम R matrix तक पहुंच रहे हैं, this can be of size 1 into 2, 2 into 1. It can be of RSTU का size हमें नहीं पता है. We are just dividing into 4 matrices. I have taken an example of 4 cross 4. It is not necessarily like that. ये ठीक है? And since it's and since it's multiplication, आप ऐसे समझ लो, I am assuming n is an exact power of 2. That is my assumption. तब चल जाएगा? For Strasson's matrix multiplication, I assume n is an exact power of 2. This is my assumption for Strasson's matrix multiplication. Now, is it okay? Now you understand how am I divided into 4 submatrices? Give me a yes or no, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
N cross n की matrix है अगर, and if n is a power of 2, then I can divide into 4 submatrices till I reach a point where they cannot be divided further. They are having all single elements. ये ठीक हो गया? Now I am saying if I try to calculate the product of these 4 matrices, 4 submatrices by the divide and conquer approach, then what am I doing? I am again dividing. If R is bigger, I will again divide R into 4 submatrices. I will again divide this. This will keep on continuing. Till when? Till I reach matrices that are having single element each. So what does the value of RSTU become? What is the value of R? First row multiplied by first column है, so it becomes AE plus B into G.
G.
S becomes, this is multiplied by the second column here. So I have AF plus BH.
BH.
Am I clear to all of you? T becomes CE plus DF, CE plus DG, and U becomes this row multiplied by this column. U becomes CF plus DH. Is this clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
So in case I'm able to find the answers for R, S, T and U, I will be able to find my matrix C which I want as a product of A cross B. I will be able to find this matrix, right? So to be able to find this particular matrix, how am I dividing my subproblem? Please look. In how many parts have I divided my subproblem? How many submatrices have been created? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 submatrices have been created. ऐसे समझो that I was having some initial problem. उसके लिए I am dividing my problem into sub problems. मेरी initial problem है which is taking some t and time. How am I dividing? R, S, T and U. 4 सब C कैलकुलेट करना है मुझे, उसके लिए R, S, T, U को कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. ऐसे ही डिवाइड करें. This is clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is the size of R here? कितने में डिवाइड करें? This is a problem of T n by 2. If initial matrix का जितना भी size था, अगर you were having a matrix of say 2 cross 2 के size की, in that case R will be a matrix of 1 cross 1 size. So I'm dividing it exactly by 2. Similarly, अगर देखो यहाँ पे, if C was a matrix जिसमें there was a size of 2 cross 2, तो R क्या होगा? R 1 होगा. ये समझ आ रहा है ना सबको? S will be 2 and so on. Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I am dividing a matrix n cross n to be a matrix of size n by 2 cross n by 2. Initial n cross n matrix को I am dividing into 4 matrices of size n by 2 cross n by 2. Is this clear?
Yes.
Everyone? This is also a matrix of size Tn by 2. Again, matrix of size Tn by 2, Tn by 2. This is only a 2 cross 2 matrix. अगर यहीं पे आप 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you are taking a matrix, I'm just giving you an example. If you are taking a matrix of size 4 cross 4, so what will be the size of the submatrices here? 2 cross 2 की 4 matrices बनेंगी. n by 2 में divide करना है हमें. So R in that case will be 1, 2, 5 and 6. S will be 3, 4, 7, 8. Are you all understanding this?
Yes.
So 4 cross 4 matrix has been divided into 4 matrices of size 2 cross 2. So n cross n की matrix is getting divided into n by 2 cross n by 2 matrix. That is why I can say Tn has been divided into 4 subproblems, each of size Tn by 2, Tn by 2, Tn by 2. Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Everyone is yes?
Yes, ma'am.
unanimously?
Ma'am,
बोलो बोलो बोलो.
ma'am, this is for square matrix only, na?
We are talking Strasson's matrix multiplication is for square matrices. We are not talking about general matrix multiplication here. Specific. अभी हम matrix multiplication से Strasson's algorithm I have not told. I have only told what do you mean by general matrix multiplication. And we are talking only about n cross n square matrix where n is assumed to be a power of 2 only. This is also a condition. Fine. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how is R calculated? R is AE plus BG. S is
Yes plus BH.
AF plus BH. And similarly, T is CE plus TF. And U is CG plus DH. Correct? So, what I'm trying to see over here is to calculate R, S, T and U. To calculate these terms, I am having जो initial A और B थे, हमने उन्हें A, E, B, हमने now these R, S, T, U को calculate करने के लिए हमें कितनी calculations चाहिए? Addition, if you consider only addition, I have n by 2 cross n by 2 matrix plus n by 2 cross n by 2 matrix. Yes or no? Give me a yes or no,
Yes,
please.
Yes, ma'am.
Addition में कितनी देर लगेगी? जितने number of elements है उतनी देर लगेगी. एक एक element individually add होगा. So it is going to take n square by 4 time. Addition, only addition.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All will take n square by 4 time.
Yes, ma'am.
So how much time will it be taken? N square at every step for addition.
And
N square by 4 plus n square by 4 plus n square by 4 plus n square by 4 will be n square only. Similarly, at each step, number of matrices बढ़ती चली जाएंगी and number of additions will sum out to be again n square.
yes, ma'am.
Now, if we try to deduce the equation for this, please see that I am actually having calculations of 8 matrices. R के लिए हमें मतलब TN calculate करने के लिए हमें 8 सब matrices calculate करनी पड़ रही हैं, A B C D E F G H. उनसे हमें RSTU निकालना है. ये ठीक है? TN is actually multiplication of A into B, which is n by n, n cross n. This has to be multiplied into 4 matrices. This also has to be divided into 4 matrices. So if I am now trying to calculate how much time is my Tn going to take, can I say that T of n is equal to 8 times? I am going to calculate this as 8 times T of n by 2 size की 8 सब matrices में divide करा है मैंने, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H plus n square, which is the time taken for addition at each step. This is the time taken for dividing the problem into sub problems and or recursive call जो भी आप कहो, and this is the time taken for addition at each step. आप उस मैट्रिक्स को कैसे कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो? बाय n स्क्वायर एडिशंस. इज दिस क्लियर टू ऑल?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यूज मास्टर्स थ्योरम. टेल मी द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. फटाफट से डू इट ऑल ऑफ यू. जल्दी से. Which case is this?
Third case, ma'am.
Third case. What is the complexity calculated in third case as? Tn will be calculated as
theta of Fn.
theta of,
Fn.
that is the second case. Third case पूछ रही हूँ मैं.
Second case is Fn into log of n.
Now here, what will be the complexity?
Theta of n square.
No. We are doing something wrong.
मैम ये फर्स्ट केस नहीं है.
फर्स्ट केस.
You tell me which case is
Yes,
it? Yeah,
ma'am, first case होगा.
tell me. And
फर्स्ट की सही है.
मैम
whatever the case is,
Theta of n cube.
class
Theta of n
k comes out to be log of a to the base b, which comes out to be 3. We have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
find out what is f of n in terms of n log k. So it is coming out to be, if I try to find, it is n square. It is n raised to the power k minus 1 or minus epsilon.
Ma'am,
Yes or no?
first case. Yes, ma'am.
This is the first case, not the third case. By first case, in case first case is satisfied, in that case, what is Tn?
n की
Theta
power
of
k. Theta of
n
n
raised to the power k.
Theta of n cube.
That comes out to be theta n cube. So the complexity of matrix multiplication comes out to be n cube. Without
Yes, ma'am.
using any particular algorithm. Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So now I'm trying to introduce Strasson's matrix algorithm to reduce this complexity. Is that clear? Basic algorithm की complexity ये है. Now we are trying to use Strasson's matrix multiplication algorithm to reduce the complexity of theta n cube. I hope the problem is clear to all of you. Now Strasson's matrix multiplication requires 7 recursive multiplications. अभी हम 8 recursive multiplications कर रहे थे ना. कितनी multiplications हो रही थी? R के लिए 2 multiplication, S के लिए 2 multiplication, T के लिए 2 multiplication, U के लिए 2 multiplication. फिर उनके addition हो रहे थे. Strasson's matrix multiplication में we try to have 7 recursive multiplications instead of 8. And 7 recursive multiplications again of size n by 2 cross n by 2. The size remains the same. So, and obviously the number of additions will remain the same. N square time will be taken for addition since size is n by 2 cross n by 2. So if I try to calculate Tn in that case, instead of 8 here it comes out to be 7 Tn by 2 plus theta n square. Again, if I am going to calculate using Master's theorem, this comes out to be theta. It is again the first case, n raised to the power log 7. It again comes out to be theta n raised to the power 2.81. So we have, even this is considered better than the previous algorithm. If we can reduce complexity by even this much, if we are going for very big matrices, then even this is considered a very good improvement. This is what we are trying to achieve using Strasson's matrix multiplication algorithm. Till here, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll try to see how do we reduce to 7 scalar multiplications, 7 recursive multiplications instead of 8. So we have formulas, we have divisions that we are going to do, and we have formula. We are recursively computing the 7 matrix products, dividing, computing, that is all we are doing. Now supposedly A is represented by A11, A12, A21 and A22. Please recall that I am trying to achieve this. C is equal to A into B is my initial problem. This is what I am trying to achieve. So, and if B is equal to B11, B12, B2, I'm just giving them the row numbers and the column numbers, nothing else have I done till now. So if I'm dividing them in this, and similarly C is divided, then I am going to calculate 7 matrices Based on multiplication of these, I am calculating P as the product of A11 plus A22 into B11 plus B22. The last elements, first and the last, I add them and then multiply. तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन में n/2 क्रॉस n/2 की सिंगल मल्टीप्लीकेशन हुई, ये ध्यान रखना. टू कैलकुलेट P, नंबर ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज 1. एडिशन पैरेलली हो जाएगी तो n² ही टाइम लगेगा. जिस टाइम ये कैलकुलेट हो रहा है सेम टाइम पे ये भी कैलकुलेट हो सकता है. दिस कैलकुलेशन कैन गो ऑन इन पैरेलल इन द सेम स्टेप. सिमिलरली Q will be calculated by single multiplication. हम 7 matrices calculate कर रहे हैं single multiplication each, so that 7 multiplications go to calculate. How will we calculate from these? We'll just see. Now Q becomes A21 plus A22 into B11. These are the formulas that there is no option but to remember. These are some formulas which we are having. What I am trying to do over here is, by this method I can reduce the complexity. Imagine when the mathematician came up with this solution of the algorithm, he only hit and trial with so many methods, so that by some method we are able to reduce the number of multiplications just by 1. Still the method is very good if we have matrices, huge matrices. In that case we use this extensively. T is equal to A11 plus A12 into B22. Similarly, I have you note it down so that I will write U and V also, or I'll just rub this and then write U and V. U comes out to be A21 minus A11 multiplied by B11 plus B12, and V comes out to be A12 minus A22 multiplied by B21 plus B22. So what is happening over here is, I am calculating PQRS TUV, that are 7 matrices, each having single multiplication of n/2 cross n/2 matrix. So the number of multiplications that are going on, multiplication is the सब प्रॉब्लम ना, मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो कितनी सब प्रॉब्लम्स में डिवाइड करा हमने? 7 सब प्रॉब्लम्स. 7 सब प्रॉब्लम्स, each of size n/2. And how many additions are there? They remain to be the size of n² only. Okay, addition takes that much time. If you all have noted down the formulas, I'll move on to write down the formulas of how can we compute C11, C12 and C21, C22 from these matrices. These are, say, 7 temporary matrices that I have created. From these temporary matrices, I will be creating the original matrix C which I